Hi, to enable and disable Do Not Disturb mode on Samsung Galaxy S25, you just need to go in your phone settings and from here choose Notifications tab. And after that, you should see section Do Not Disturb. Tap it, and as you can see, this mode mutes all calls, notifications, and other alerts except for those you choose to allow. So, if you want to enable it, tap on the switcher. Here, choose for how long you want to enable it and tap turn on. And then the switcher would become blue, so DND is now on. After that, you can of course set schedule for this mode. You can also add some exceptions. You can hide notifications. And if you want to turn it off, then you need to tap on the switcher like that, so it would be great. So let's enable it again. Take a look at the status bar. Here you'll see this icon with minus appears on top, which is for DND mode. If I disable it, it will disappear. And another way how you can reach this feature easily is by swiping down from the upper right corner to trigger control center, and then swipe the line down once more and find DND here. If you can see that Do Not Disturb is black, then the feature is turned off. To turn on, just tap it, set time, either until turn off or schedule, and then tap to turn on. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye-bye.